Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Well, the day has arrived. We're here at Swift and the sun is shining, which is a bonus. Today we're going to be actually showing you the replacement sunroof, and I've got my health and safety glasses and high-vis vest on. So let's go inside. Some of this is going to be film and some of it is going to be photographs, so bear with us please. But I think you'll find this really fascinating because I know I will. So let's take a look at the new sunroof. Today we have Wayne, the senior Swift technician. Now Wayne is a little camera shy, so we'll be focusing on the job at hand. First of all, Wayne removes the outer part of the sunroof. Now the inner section is removed. All the original bonding is removed and cleaned, ready for preparation of the new sunroof. Okay, you'll have to forgive the background noise because there's an induction day here as well. But what we've got in front of us now is the actual mechanical sunroof. Swift have kindly allowed me to film this. At the top, we've got the frame. That goes in first, and this adds rigidity to the GRP bodywork. Now, in front of us, we have the actual sunroof itself, which actually gets bolted into the frame. Now, there is a rubber gasket seal as well. So once this is fitted together, in effect, what's happening, from what I can understand, is the actual sunroof will float within the frame and the gasket seal, so it will flex. The blind on the inside is removed from the Caravan. Wayne then uses a template and drills out 8 15mm holes into the GRP bodywork. The new frame is then inserted into the bodywork and clamped into place. The plumbing pipes that you can see in the footage are a jig that Wayne made so he can align up the holes with the GRP and the frame itself. So you'll notice here that Wayne the technician has drawn a line round our surround for the blind, and he's going to be cutting this section off because, as I've said before, we're actually, with the mechanical sunroof, part of the frame is different to the original setup. So this is one of the other adaptations that he will have to do. The sunroof is now prepared. The rubber washers and foam pads are fitted to the sunroof.
This isn't to stop water. This is to stop debris getting in, the leaves and stuff like that.
Ah, right, okay.
Damming seal. That was the word I was looking for.
What, sorry?
A damming seal. That's what
Damming
it's called.
seal. In this footage you'll notice that there are 2 gaps. These are to allow the sunroof to flex when fitted. Now, throughout the process of fitting the sunroof, this is the only messy job, as Wayne routers out the frame from the GRP panel to make it flush with the frame. He uses a panel to collect most of the dust. Wayne now adds the frame seal, which is very similar to the ones that we have around our windows, and is finished off with a white trim. The sunroof is now fitted into place, and from the inside the sunroof is bolted in and torqued up to a specific torque measurement. Okay, I hope you liked that video. We're now back at the storage yard, and I thought I'd take you around the caravan and show you what muck there is. As we all know, we've read the comments that, you know, the caravan was in a right state when it came back from the dealership. So I'm going to show you the standard that Swift left my caravan when we actually left Swift Group at Cottingham. Now, please bear in mind, this has now been down the motorway, bounced up and down, so there's going to be some settling dust, which I will show you. We're not hiding anything here. But generally, when my keys were handed back to me for the caravan, I was very impressed. So let's take a look. So first of all, let's look round the sunroof. And as you can see, we've now got a strip inside, like so. So dropping down, got a little bit of settling dust there. And a little bit in the corner there. Now, we took the curtains off. Swift said we didn't have to, but we chose to because Juliet wanted to wash them ready for our next big trip. So I think you'll agree, that's pretty tidy. It's not going to take you much to get it back to how you're used to having it. And this is the standard that Swift are looking for when the panoramic sunroof is replaced. That's just my stuff. A couple of little bits on the floor, but nothing that would cause any significant harm to your caravan. Well, folks, that was our trip up to Hull to the Swift Group. We had a very good day. It was really good.
It was. They said it was very interesting of how they actually fitted the sunroof.
Yeah.
Because I was there for part of it, and then obviously you were filming all of it being done.
There were a couple of things that I couldn't show you, unfortunately, because due to health and safety and Wayne being on a gantry, we had to be careful. But I think we captured the essence of what Swift expect when a sunroof is actually fitted. And yeah, I think they did a cracking job all in all during the day.
Yeah. Also, we said we did put all the questions that everybody was asking us about fitting the sunroof and all the problems that have been happening. And we have had all the had the replies back, and they're very in depth. So we will be doing them in a separate video.
We will, yes. As Juliet said, it'll be a separate video because it'd make this too long. So just before we go, I'd really like to thank Chris Walker. I'd like to thank Joe. I'd like to thank Claire. And an extra special thanks to Wayne, the senior technician, who, despite being a little bit camera shy, did a cracking job of explaining how the sunroof fitted and did a good job of it as well. And thanks for you for dropping by. We'll see you very soon. Bye for now.
Bye.